going to make a new how to make brush video because you guys didn't like my mic last time, so I fixed it. So let's hop in. First, you need to go on Unity3D. This link I don't leave in the description. You press this button. It downloads that. You open it. It should pop up a thing right here. After when you open Unity, you have to do add. Want to press download activated. You want to go on Unity 28.x. Want to look for a Unity 2018.4.20. And after when you want to do that, you're going to make new 3D create. Just go on my project. I don't know if it's one second. No, wait, it's too low. So now when Unity's open, you need to go, you have to search up vrchat.com, sign into your account. You want to go on downloads and you want to press download STK. You want to start download something right there. After when you're here, you want to go in your files, go in downloads. You want to look for the S2K, so let me just find it. It's right here. You drag and drop it right here in access. You want to wait till it's all done. When it pops up this, you want to press all and after import. So, and after, I won't explain how to get the brush files. You have to go on a Blue Aces's Discord and ask him for them and buy them. They're like 20 bucks, like 30 bucks Canadian. I know that. I don't know what price is in USA, but it's on that. So when you get the brush files, you want to go on new. If you bought the baby brushes, it'd be on new. If you bought the adult brushes, it'd just be this. So here, I'll import a baby brush for you guys today. So when you do that, put at the easiest way is put it at 0, 0, 0, detach, and when it's at 0, 0, you want to go close to it. And if you don't know how to put the brush textures on, all of these should be right here. So that, the default one, and that should be it. And let me just delete this. Sorry guys, I had a little problem. Okay, we're back. So when you do that, you want to press you just want to add component. You want to go down. You want to search up VLC. And go down to you want to go down a little bit. You want to see VLC underscore avatar descriptor. Press that. You see that little dot right there? You have to line it up with the face. So here will probably be like 0.9. Let me check. Yeah, like 0.9.5. And so, and after you want to put 1. News. And after now, you're all ready to upload it. So you press VLC. Right here, you have to log into your account. You want to press builder, and this is so if you press build and publish to Windows, that's for PC. You press build and publish to Android. So probably first and also build and publish to Android right here. That's for Quest. Build and publish for Windows. That's for PC. So I don't only build and publish to Android today because it'd be too complicated. It'd be too long. So here you just want to press build and publish. I want to wait till it downloads. Yeah. Okay, so now when you're here, you can choose the position of the brush. So you just when you upload it, it should show this. You choose the name, you choose all that. You wanna press the camera if you wanna do the view when you have it in your inventory. So here, put this up, and if you just want the face, you just do that. And you can call it whatever you want. So I just want to call it baby brush. And after you just want to do auto. This is for just not get banned. That how you want to put it always private, or if you put it public, it's possible you can get banned by Blue Oasis. Then you press just upload, and it should upload. When you're done uploading your brush, it just say done uploaded. And after, yeah, you're done making your brush. So thanks for watching, and all the links should be in the description. Bye guys.